Welcome. In this lesson, we're going to talk about three types of transformations that preserve congruency, that doesn't change the size or shape of a figure. It might change its orientation and its position, but its size and shape do not change. And those three transformations are a translation, a reflection, and a rotation. And all I want you to do in this lesson is be able to decide which is which. Which image shows a translation of this image. So this image has been translated. Translation, a translation is a slide either up and left or up and over, down and over, but its orientation won't be changed. It's not a rotation and it's not a reflection. So again, you're going to see a shape that looks exactly in the same orientation as this one. It's just been shifted. So this is going to be C. Now a reflection actually kind of is a mirror image of it. So a reflection isn't going to look in the same, and it's not going to be on its side. That's a rotation. A reflection is going to be a mirror image of itself. So this C would be a reflection. A rotation is the one that actually changes its orientation and it kind of lays it's on its side, or all those sides are going to be at a different angle. It's going to rotate it. So again, C, it looks like they're always making it C. So I'm hoping this isn't a hard lesson. It goes very quickly. Just which one is a rotation? Again, a rotation. Now be careful. Be careful. A reflection can look like a rotation, but it's not. So for instance, this one here is actually a reflection. It's not a rotation. This is a translation. This is the rotation. Try to think about if I rotated this square around. Think about two squares underneath. Two squares underneath. It's been rotated 180 degrees clockwise. We'll talk more about the specifics of rotations and translations and reflections in another lesson. Right now, just try to recognize which one is a translation, which one looks the same, it's just been moved over and down. That's B. Which is a rotation. So again, a rotation, that's just a translation. This kind of looks like it could be rotated, but it's actually not. This is actually a reflection and a rotation. This is the only one that's rotated. It's rotated this direction, right? Hopefully you can see that it's rotated. Meant to grab. It's rotated like this down into that corner there. So it's A. If you have questions or struggle with this one, please do let me know.